Good morning, Earthlings. Oh, yeah, sorry about the headgear. Well, I'm using this opportunity to test my new microphone, stereo microphone. Yeah, I've been busy. The DIY never ends in this place. So I don't know if you can remember this room. This is Kitty's very big classroom. But it was actually two rooms in half. There was, the walls came to here and here, and the rest was like a partition wall that I took out about 2 years ago. And I've been meaning to take the walls out to make the place bigger. And I finally did it yesterday, which was very satisfying. I ninja'd most of it, it was really cool. I'm also changing the lights. These are the last two fluorescent lights in the place. So I've taken those horrible clod-upping great things off. Usual wiring nightmares. All the wires are black, and it's three-phase, 450 volts. And it's like, I don't know, it's like one of those films when you have to defuse a bomb. I'm never quite sure what's going to happen. But I've got the 12 wires down to 2 on the switch. And I've got to go up in the loft in a minute and just pull all these out and then sort of make the live ones safe. So, wish me luck. And then part 2 is plastering. And then part 3, possibly tomorrow, painting. And I've got to change the floor as well. So that'll be nice. Okay, goodie bye. Oh, here we go. God, as you can imagine, it's absolutely vast up here. It's huge. Oh, I thought that was rat poo. That's good. Fortunately not. Oh, right, we've got to the end. All right. It's huge. It's a shame we can't use this space for anything really. But never mind. It's just, there's just not quite enough headroom. Right, so one of these is the one we're looking for. So where are we? That's the bathroom. Yeah, I think it's this one here. Jolly good. Right, wish me luck. Okay, well that's a little bit of spaghetti tidied up so the next brave electrician won't be completely baffled. Right, just get out of here now. Oh. Ooh, look, that'll come in handy. I need one of those in a minute. Oh, fuck. That'd be my head then. Oh, God. Oh, I can see daylight. Thank God. Oh. Hooray, we are saved. Good afternoon. Well, yeah, a couple of hours determined grafting and progress. Look! First coat of plaster on. Just waiting for that to go off so I can do the second coat. Rebuild the lovely light switch. I think that's... Oh, no, it's not quite gone off yet. And I've fitted the lovely LEDs properly. So yeah, remarkable progress. Oh, I only got electrocuted once as well, so that was good. Right, onwards and upwards. And the classroom is finished, and this is what it looks like. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, big transformation. Yeah, so getting rid of these, or what was left of these walls, has made a huge difference. floor. That looks lovely too. And yeah, we went the whole hog, and we even installed an air conditioner because this building is basically a loft conversion that was done about 35 years ago, and the long part of the roof is south facing. So yeah, you absolutely cook in the whole building in the middle of summer. So yeah, lovely. And a few Hungarian rooftops. Fantastic. Yeah, so very happy, very happy.